The Spring Boot reference documentation version 3.1.2 contains the following main sections, which I figure are what you need to be concerned about as a Java Spring Boot app developer. Using Spring Boot, core features web, data, I/O, messaging, container images, production-ready features, deploying Spring Boot applications, Graal VM native image support, Spring Boot CLI, build tool plugins, how-to guides, application properties, configuration metadata, auto configuration classes, test auto configuration annotations, executable jars, dependency versions. I divide the Spring Boot app development into four major parts: design, implementation, building and testing, and deployment. The following Spring Boot reference documentation main sections pertain to the implementation part of the Java Spring Boot app development. Using Spring Boot, core features, web, data, I/O, messaging, how-to guides, application properties. The following Spring Boot reference documentation main sections pertain to the building and testing part of the Java Spring Boot app development. Spring Boot CLI, build tool plugins, configuration metadata, auto configuration classes, test auto configuration annotations, executable jars, dependency versions. The following Spring Boot reference documentation main sections pertain to the development part of the Java Spring app development: container images, production-ready features, deploying Spring Boot applications, Graal VM native image support. Using Spring Boot section covers build systems, structuring your code, configuration, Spring Beans and dependency injection, dev tools, and more. Using Spring Boot section has the following subsections: build systems, structuring your code, configuration classes, auto configuration, Spring Beans, and dependency injection. Using the add Spring Boot application annotation, running your application, developer tools, packaging your application for production. The build system subsection of the using Spring Boot section has the following subsections: dependency management, Maven, Gradle, and starters. The structuring your code subsection of the using Spring Boot section has the following subsections: using the default package, locating the main application class. The configuration classes subsection of the using Spring Boot section has the following subsections: importing additional configuration classes, importing XML configuration. The auto configuration subsection of the using Spring Boot section has the following subsections: gradually replacing auto configuration, disabling specific auto configuration classes.